Hey folks, we are the 18th Wednesday of January 2022, and welcome to the pre-US session. So you're looking at DAX, SPOOs here, and Dow. We just had the European CPIs coming out here, pretty much in line across the board, apart from the CPI month on month for December missed negative 0.4 on negative 0.3. So CPI inflation going the right way on the month on month here. In line everywhere else. Not much reaction at all from stocks here. The Bund as well, not much going on. And we have seen a little bit on oil come in here, a little bit early in the day, but really nice from the PVAH here. So looking at, for example, the S&P 500, where do we sit? Well, we were really, the market was bifurcated. Let's use that word to describe really what's been going on with the SPOOs here. We've had this congestion area up here, then we dropped out down into this area here. We broke out then back on this area, pulled back to this spot right here. Look at that. Bang, bang, bang. To the upside and back into this general blue area of balance up above. And look at the longs coming in from this low area. So we had that, last week. Yesterday, obviously not rallying or not going down that far. We're very much balancing in the middle here, and I don't think it's going to be too long before we hit 40, 55, spot 75 to the upside. So really, using the tools at our disposal, we want to be able to trade this range, saying this morning, really that we need to be looking at trying to use range strategies here. We want to be, buying things when they look like they're low or super low on the day. We want to be selling them when they're super high on the day and kind of getting into, generally for now, we're trading this side to this side. So we want to be buying the pullbacks on the downside, angling for, just getting out on the highs on day or expansion on the week highs. So really that's what we're looking at here on the S&P 500. The Dow, bit of a divergence between Dow, NASDAQ, and the SPOOs yesterday. Dow getting a hammering down. But I think, it's not going to be long before we're looking at further back upside on the Dow, given its quality components there. A lot of dividend payers, a lot of big, beefy, best companies, the best 30 companies in the US, right? So, I think it's quite cheap here. DAX getting hammered, should print to the lows again of 15150s, I think, or thereabouts through this session. The NASDAQ, as we look forward, well, let's have a look at the NASDAQ on the daily bars. Yeah, very, very tight sort of stuff going on here. Buyers on the 11549s. I probably want to tidy this up a little bit here and just get rid of some of these areas, but really, they're all important for what we're trading here in Duggan Capital. So, I think a target for this market is going to be definitely the 11714s to the upside. And then I wouldn't be looking to initiate any longs. I'd be looking for a pullback to buy around the 100 EMA and PVAH, and then look for further upside on that NASDAQ. All right, so listen, that's it for me for another pre-US session. Oil, I do like oil longs. From anywhere around VWAP in the PVAH4, targeting 82.51s on the upside and then 83.20s. And that's really it. Okay, have a good session and I'll talk to you later. Cheers.